In this video, I'll show you how to separate audio from video in Camtasia. Welcome to another Camtasia tutorial. My name is David. I hope you're well. On screen is my Camtasia project, and the reason why I'm doing this tutorial is because you may want to separate the audio from the video so that you can make different edits to the audio or the video separately. What I have here is a Camtasia recording, which is a T-Rec, and I can just add it to the timeline at the playhead. And there we go, or just drag and drop it. And from screen, you can see there is the screen recording, which is what we see behind here. And then there is the webcam or the camera that has the audio file attached to it. So to separate the audio and the video, that is the webcam video, all you need to do is just right click and then click separate audio and video. Once you do that, you'll now have two different streams, that is the video and the audio files that are separate. So you can actually just maneuver and do whatever you want with each audio stream. For example, you may actually want to just export the audio, edit it in an audio editing program like Audacity, and then re-import it back into Camtasia so that you can resync what you had here. Basically, let's assume you wanted to do some noise removal, noise reduction, or maybe apply some reverbs, etc. It's all up to you, but that is how you separate audio from video in Camtasia. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning.